Hello, and come watch me unbox the Mac Mini M2 that came out this year. And why a Mac Mini, you say? It's because Mac Mini is affordable and it's travel friendly. You just need a monitor, a mouse, and a keyboard. I bought this straight from the Apple Store and got a student discount, knocking off at least $300 to $500 depending on what you customized in it. So it comes with the typical instructions and what it's labeled, and then there's some more, and then the sticker. As you can see, it comes with a power plug-in, and Apple is known for clean packaging, very clean and slick look. Something about Apple products make me happy and excited to open. And now we're back to the Mac Mini itself. I turned it around from its back side and started to peel off the sticker. This part feels durable and rubbery. I'm guessing it is to keep it from sliding. And then here's another sticker cover here for the inputs and outputs. As you can see, it has the power, the Ethernet, the USB, the plug-in for the headphones, and the HDMI. Now I'm going to plug in the power and also the HDMI. I bought this mouse from Amazon. Obviously, you know my color scheme is green. The mouse pad is from Five Below. I also got this keyboard from Amazon. The mouse and keyboard are multi-purpose. You can use them with USB, or you can have them on Bluetooth on any type of devices that you want. But for the Mac Mini, I am using it on here and plugging it into the USB. Now it's ready to go. Here is my setup. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you would like to see on the Mac Mini M2 series, and thank you for watching.